Yes, good morning to you all. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to study what we call the body parts. The different parts of the body, the simple ones. We are going to study it today. And as usual, we are going to go through it together, listen to how they are all pronounced and the spellings. Some of them, as we can see, do have the same spelling but different pronunciation and different meaning. Let us go through them. These are just the simple ones. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Share and like. Let's go. Number 1 is pronounced as ahụ. Ahụ. Ahụ is the body. The total body is ahụ. We have number 2, isi. Isi. Isi is the head. Number 3, we have anya. Anya. Anya is the eye. Number 4, imi. Imi. Imi is nose. We have ntị. Ntị. Ntị means the ear. We have ntị. Ntị. Ntị is the cheek. Here you will see that the ntị and ntị are having the same spelling but different pronunciation. Ntị is the ear, ntị is the cheek. We have number 7, ọnụ. Ọnụ. Ọnụ is the mouth. We have number 8, onu. Onu. Onu is the neck. Here also we have the same spellings but different pronunciations and different meanings. Ọnụ is the mouth and then onu is the neck. We have number 9, ubu. Ubu. Ubu is the shoulder. Number 10, we have ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi is the hair of our head. We have number 11, ihu. Ihu. Ihu is the face. Number 12, ogwe aka. Ogwe aka. Ogwe aka is the arm. We have number 13. Number 13 says aka. Aka. Aka simply means hand, your hand. Number 14, we have mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka is the finger. Number 15, mbọ aka. Mbọ aka. Mbọ aka is the fingernail. We have number 16, obi. Obi. Obi is your chest. Number 17, afọ. Afọ. Afọ is your stomach. Number 18, we have ukwu. Ukwu. Ukwu is the waist. Number 19, we have azụ. Azu. Azu is your back. Number 20, we have Ike. Ike. Ike is the buttocks. Number 21, we have Okwu. Okwu. Okwu is leg. You will also see here that number 18 and number 21 are having the same spelling but different pronunciations and different meanings. Number 18 says Ukwu, which is waist. Number 21 says Okwu, which is the leg. Here comes the end of today's lecture. Please subscribe so that you will always be getting our lecture as we post them. Thank you. Goodbye.